As more homeowners, basement gardeners, typists, and even gamers turned part-time landscapers embrace garden care, the demand for efficient, time-saving backpack sprayers has surged. The appeal lies in their portability, ease of use, and ability to treat large areas without fatigue. In this guide,
Product number 1. Battery-powered backpack sprayer 4-gallon. The battery-powered backpack sprayer 4-gallon stands out as a reliable entry to mid-level electric sprayer, ideal for homeowners managing lawns, gardens, or small fields. Its 4-gallon tank offers plenty of capacity for spraying herbicides, fertilizers, or pesticides without frequent refilling, which is a major plus for larger properties or extended sessions. With a rechargeable battery powering the pump, it spares you from the tedious manual pumping required by traditional sprayers, reducing strain and making chores faster. In terms of performance, electric backpack sprayers like this maintain consistent pressure and spray output, which helps deliver uniform coverage, something especially important when applying herbicides or fungicides. The ergonomics are usually better than handheld sprayers. Padded shoulder straps and balanced weight distribution help avoid back or shoulder fatigue even when the tank is full. For general garden maintenance, weed control, fertilization, or pest treatments, especially where you have moderate to large yard space, this 4-gallon battery-powered model strikes a solid balance between capacity, ease, and cost. It's particularly suitable for homeowners who prefer convenience over manual labor but don't need heavy-duty professional sprayer features.
Product number 2. Field King 190328 Backpack Sprayer. The Field King 190328 backpack sprayer is widely regarded as one of the most dependable battery-powered sprayers for garden and lawn work. It offers a 4-gallon tank capacity and is designed with a powder-coated steel frame and durable wand for longevity, a key advantage over many plastic-based sprayers. FieldKingBackpackSprayer.com +1. One of its biggest strengths is the battery-powered pump. With an 18-volt lithium-ion battery and charger included, the 190328 delivers up to 4 hours of spray time, or roughly 50 gallons of liquid per charge, more than enough for typical residential lawns or medium-sized gardens. TheFountainHeadGroup.com +1. An internal no-leak pump design helps prevent chemicals from dripping onto the user's back, which adds a safety and comfort benefit. FieldKingBackpackSprayer.com. In terms of usability, the sprayer includes several nozzles, adjustable brass, low, high-volume fan, foaming nozzle, to cover a variety of tasks, from broad area fertilizing to targeted pesticide application. You buy India +1. The padded shoulder harness and ergonomic design make it reasonably comfortable to carry for longer sessions, although like many 4-gallon sprayers, weight may become noticeable when fully loaded. According to a lawn care discussion I saw, a user praised the 190328 as magic, implying reliability and ease compared to manual sprayers.
Product number 3. DeWalt 20V Lithium-Ion Battery-Powered Backpack Tool Only. The DeWalt 20V Lithium-Ion Battery-Powered Backpack Sprayer Tool Only is an appealing option for users who already own compatible DeWalt batteries and chargers, a common scenario for gardeners or homeowners invested in power tool ecosystems. Adopting a battery-powered pump, this sprayer removes the need for manual pumping, offering consistent pressure output and easier spraying over larger areas. This convenience, combined with DeWalt's reputation for rugged build quality, makes it attractive for both occasional and frequent users. Many in online lawn care communities report satisfaction with its performance and comfort. Because this model is sold as tool only, you'll need to supply your own 20V battery. But for those who already have them, that often translates to long-term savings and battery compatibility across multiple tools. In practice, this results in a versatile sprayer that can handle tasks ranging from herbicide application to general garden maintenance. Users note it's particularly handy if they already rely on DeWalt for other cordless tools. In performance, the DeWalt backpack sprayer delivers a steady flow rate and often uses a durable wand design with good chemical resistance, making it suitable for herbicides, pesticides, fertilizers, and other garden chemicals. According to user reports,
If properly maintained, especially flushing the tank and wand between uses, it remains reliable and effective over multiple seasons.
Product number 4. Field King Max 190348 Backpack Sprayer for professionals applying herbicides. The Field King Max 190348 Backpack Sprayer targets a more professional or heavy-duty audience, landscapers, small farm operators, or those applying herbicides or pesticides over larger plots. It shares many of the robust features of its sibling 190328 model, but with enhancements geared toward frequent or heavy use. A stainless steel wand, a more durable build, and a deluxe harness that improves comfort during extended spraying sessions. FieldKingBackpackSprayer.com +1. The 190348 is designed to deliver consistent pressure and spray performance, making it suitable for harsher chemicals like herbicides or for applications needing even coverage across large areas. Many professional-grade sprayers, such as this one, are built to resist corrosion and chemical damage, a must if you spray frequently or use stronger solutions. Field King.
Product number 5. Battery-powered backpack sprayer 3.2 gallon. The battery-powered backpack sprayer 3.2 gallon model is a lighter-duty alternative, suitable for small gardens, balconies, or moderate lawn maintenance. Its 3.2 gallon tank offers a reasonable balance between capacity and portability. Enough for most home gardens, but lighter and easier to carry than larger 4-gallon units. For users who prioritize ease of handling, shorter spraying sessions, or limited storage space, the smaller tank is an advantage. Because it is battery-powered, it still delivers consistent pressure and spray performance, avoiding the fatigue or inefficiency of hand-pumped sprayers. This makes it useful for tasks like light fertilizing, small-scale weed control, fungicide application, or pesticide spraying in residential gardens. Many battery sprayers in this category are praised for their ease of use, quick recharge, and straightforward maintenance. Portability is a major plus. The lighter tank means less strain on shoulders and back, especially if you're moving around small or uneven spaces, like lawns, flower beds, balconies, or around obstacles. For homeowners with small to medium yards or for occasional garden work, the 3.2 gallon sprayer offers a cost-effective, easy-to-manage solution.